Okay, practice 2, A, B, C, and D. So let's go ahead and take that right down here. For number 2, letter A, we first need to rearrange that and get that y by itself before I can graph it. So I'm going to subtract an x like we've been doing and divide everything by 3. Now, because I don't have great graph paper here, I'm going to go ahead, and as you would probably be doing at home, just making a rough sketch of this graph. Do your best to make it kind of nice and neat. Okay, go up to 3 because the y-intercept is located at 3, and I've got a slope of negative 1/3. So I'm going to go up to 3, 1, 2, 3, start it there. Go down 1 to the right, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, or I can go up 1 and back 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I know that this is going to be a dashed line, and it's going to be shaded above the line. So take your ID, make a dashed line. Now I'm going to shade it above because it's read as greater than. So everything above this is a solution for that inequality. Okay. Letter B. 2x minus 6y is less than or equal to 15. Now I know this is going to be solid because there's an or equal to there. I'm going to first start off by subtracting 2x, and then I'm going to divide everything by negative 6. Now because I'm dividing by negative, I do flip my inequality around. Now I am going to put this down, and then I'll just reduce it as I talk. 1/3. Negative, and reduce that by 3, is reduce 15 over 6 by 3, you get 5/2. So the y-intercept is located at negative 5/2, and the slope is at 1/3. So as I make my new line here, my next y-axis, okay, negative 5/2 is not pretty to graph. It's between negative 2 and 3, so do your best to put it right there. And then go up 1 over 3, and it looks something roughly like that. Now it's going to be a solid line because there is an or equal to there. And because it's greater than, I want numbers that are going to be above that because it's read as greater than or equal to. So everything up here is my solution. Okay, letter C. 2x plus y is less than 6. Subtract y, and then let's go graph it. It's going to be a dashed line because it's just less than. The y-intercept is located at 6, and I got a slope of negative 2/1. So do your best to go up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 2, 1, 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. Make it a dashed. And then because it says less than, I want solutions to be below the line because of less than. So this is my solution zone right here. And last one, letter D. 3x minus y is greater than or equal to 1. It's going to be a solid line. Divide by negative 1. And I'm going to flip it because I'm dividing by negative. Now it's going to be a solid line. The y-intercept is at negative 1. And the slope is located at 3/1. So let's finish this off. Down 1. And then go up 3. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Just enough of an idea to get what the line looks like. Again, it was going to be solid. And because we were saying less than, I want the solutions to be below that line. So everything below that is my solution zone. Okay.